I made the door in my own basement shop from rough sawn cypress I bought at Groff and Groff. It's about 1 1/8 thick and a little shorter than standard height to fit the opening. The joinery is traditional with mortises chopped on the drill press and bandsawn square tenons. The closing mechanism is a counterweight made from catalogs. It weighs about a pound. Here's the drop pulley, and in the upper right you can see the door truck that runs in an aluminum track. Pulley block for the return inside the door frame. Turned handle also from catalogs, and 2 inside knobs that hold the handle in place. And finally a skate wheel pulley that keeps the door from flapping in the breeze.
Wood shop. Thank God for wood.